Hi, Dan Clark in beautiful Bay Indies. Sunday morning, sun shining, 82 degrees. Fall's coming around the corner. You folks up north, get down here. It's going to be cold up there and it's going to cool down here to the 70s. Hey, we're at 978 Vincent East. Got a nice home here for you. 24 by 48, front lanai, 2-2 carport, storage shed. Nice home. It's got some flooring that's been done with the subfloors. We're in good shape here. We're in the dining room with a built-in. Pete's going to scan that living room quickly, but then we're going to show you the front lanai here as well. We'll show you, give you a virtual tour of this home. Mostly furnished, folks. We do have a front lanai that faces towards the north side. We're here on the cul-de-sac. Pete just showed you that. The walking bike path is just 2 homes to the right that goes all the way around the community. Again, beautiful community here. I live here myself. Let's come up through back through the dining room. Again, this flooring goes throughout most of the house other than in the bedrooms where they've got newer carpeting. They've done up the dining room there. We've got a nice light fixture there. Pete finishes that up with a built-in. Coming into the kitchen, updated appliances, countertops, cabinets have been painted, changed the knobs out. Got a double sink that looks out to your carport there as well. Nice overhead lighting. Dishwasher here as well. Microwave, hood has been replaced, this has been replaced. Stainless steel here as well. Got a little eat-in bar with a couple of bar stools over here with a couple of lights. Nice coffee bar area here too to make into. Again, nice wood flooring and the subfloors were done as well. AC is only 3 years old. We got a rubber coated roof. Got a nice big huge linen closet here. It could be a pantry as it's off there as well. Got a little unique angled bathroom here for you as well with an angled step-in shower. Counter there with the sink, bath, toilets around the corner. Guest bathroom here, painted up, finished up. Being a 40-foot home, rooms are a little bit bigger, which is nicer. You'll see that here as we step into this guest room. Good size guest room. I don't know if that's a double or a queen, but it's close to a queen if it's not. Again, painted up nicely gray. Got a nice step-in closet over here, so lots of storage. Carpet is almost like new here, folks. Nice bright double window. Look at the sun coming in over here, bright. Nice fan with lights here as well. I like the grays. Gray is the new neutral color that they've gone to. We're going to head down the hall into a very large master bedroom. Again, staying with the gray, we've got the new carpeting in here as well. We've got 3 windows in here. We've got a double closet back here. Comes around. Nice double closet there. But guess what? It keeps getting better. Guys, you can get that closet because here's the ladies' closet in here. Got a step-in closet here with lots of room in here for you. Lots of cabinet spacing here. Newer counter there, newer mirror there. We got a step-in shower here in the master. Toilet around the corner there. Again, some updates in here, still going with the gray theme colors in here. Come back through. Got a newer fan that actually matches the wood of the furniture. Come back in here and show you the large living room, folks. Good sized living room with a fan. We've got double windows here, double windows there. We got the slider that goes out to that lanai. Nice built-in area here with your TV, entertainment center with lighted background. Even got a fireplace for those 3 cool mornings that we're going to get coming up in December, January. It might get down to 50 degrees. Dan Clark, My Florida Dreams, 207-807-7537, 978 Vincent. Good price, good bones to this home, large house. At the end of the street over here is the Bay Pool Complex, so you're close to that as well. Give me a call.